Welcome back to the Columbus Regional Airport Authority snow removal training. We are currently in the liquid de-ice truck, chemical truck. We're going to show you how to, as we move, how to use the blast and how the spray actually works. So we got all the switches on, we got the master on. If you don't have the master on, nothing will work to spray and stuff. Always try to have as much beacons on as possible. So we got the rate set at 0.8. So once again, you hit the drive button, take it out of engage or disengage the parking brake. So as we go, it's not going to spray until we either hit the blast or we get up to like 15 miles an hour. So as we go, we're taking off, and you can see in your windows that it is spraying right now. Now if I let go of the blast button, it stops until I get up to a certain miles an hour. And there, it's about 10 miles an hour. It will start to spray and stuff. So that's why the blast is important when you take off. If you have any questions, always ask an operator, mechanic, or a supervisor, and they'll be able to help you out, or at least we can figure it out. So at that point, we're going to stow it. It's very similar to what the deploy is. Put it in neutral, engage the parking brake, and the button right here for stow is right here. I'm going to stow it. Hit confirm. One thing you always want to make sure the center is all the way up. It should do that automatically, but if it does hit the sides for some reason, not the where the sides where it stows, you may have to raise the center up. But you're looking in the mirrors, make sure everything's coming up and in. And once it gets stowed, you're good to go to start moving somewhere else. So you may leave it out when you're jumping back to and from the runways and stuff, but when you're transversing from the runways to back to the shop, make sure it's stowed away. 75 feet is wide, and we don't want anything hit or any accidents to happen. This is a valuable piece of equipment in our arsenal to battle the snow events. So there it goes. You see how it goes into those little carriage things. Like I said, if you got it down too low, it could hit the bottom of that. So it says confirmation. You hit OK, everything's good. Now the pump's disengaged. If you want to turn off the master switch and all these, you can leave them on. So I always like to leave the lights on just to be seen. So that's how you deploy and operate this the material application. So thank you.